Hi, this is Matthew with RetroEdge.tech, and I'm holding here a laptop. It's thin, it's light, it's a 14-inch laptop, it's affordably priced, and it's terrible. It's the HP Stream laptop, and the reason that it's terrible for most people to buy is because most of the models have come with only 32 gigabytes of eMMC storage, which means that with 32 gigabytes, essentially you can have Windows installed and not even do the Windows updates. It runs out of storage. Windows just is not able to do that. So I got this essentially in trade-in from somebody who needed to use a computer with Windows, and this was essentially unusable for them. So I got it in trade-in, and I got them a laptop with Windows that they could actually use instead of this one, which is not any good at all if you're trying to use it to do work with Windows, because essentially Windows will always try to do the updates and fail because it doesn't have enough room to download the updates while Windows is installed. Now, Microsoft has figured out some workarounds to this, but they're obnoxious. Essentially, you can get an external USB drive or SD card with extra storage and stick it in there, and then Microsoft can use that as a temporary storage place to download the updates and then apply them. That sometimes works. In any case, it's still annoying. So if you're for some reason tempted to buy an HP Stream, certainly don't buy it brand new. This one here, new HP Stream, 14-inch, 32 gigabytes eMMC, 1 year Office 365. It's $250 new. It's a terrible buy. The one up right above it for $230 is a better buy, because it does have 64 gigabytes, and that would be at least usable for Windows, as far as having enough space to be able to do some things and apply the Windows updates. So what should I do with this terrible laptop? Install Linux on it, of course. I haven't done that yet. I haven't even tested the laptop, but I will install Linux on it and see how it performs with that. But really, that's the only good use case for this, because the version of Windows, Windows 10 or Windows 8 would run out of storage as well. But Windows 10 won't even be able to keep up with the security updates on this laptop. So yeah, the HP Stream is a terrible laptop. Do not buy it new. And if you do get a hold of one used, using Windows on it is pretty much a no-go. If it's got the 32 gigabytes of storage. If it's got the 64 gigabytes, it's still not a good laptop, but at least you can use it with Windows. I'm going to be installing Linux on this one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.